G'day, how are you? I'm Scott from Easyshed, and today I'm talking you through our Gable Slider sheds. Gable sheds are a traditional, good-looking storage solution for the outdoor area. The extra headroom that the roof pitch allows in the centre means that you can make it a workshop, man cave or she sheds. They are ideal for your taller items. Check out these sliding doors here on the gable end. Depending on the size of your shed you choose, these come in either single or double options. Because you don't get the swing out of a regular door, they're a real smart use of space, making getting bulky items in and out like bikes or your mower a breeze. They're the best quality sliding doors out there, with the top section being fully made entirely of aluminium, plus these brilliant little roller wheels. They're as smooth as anything, so none of that annoying scraping when you get the lower quality sliding doors. Handy tip, when you're unpacking your sliding door unit, be sure to check inside the pelmet here. That's where they'll be tucked into. A pad bolt and hasp system keeps things secure, and you can add a padlock if you like. As for dimensions, we've got you covered. This one is a 3 metre wide by 2.25 metre deep option, but it's available in widths of between 1.5 and 3.75 metres, plus depths of between 1.5 and 3 metres. All these sheets are a good 0.35mm thick, and we only use premium steel. And it's good to know all our sheds are built in Albury, New South Wales, so when you're buying from us, you'll cut out the middlemen. You get the best price and support an Australian family-run regional business too. Plus, we back everything we make with a lifetime warranty. So you can choose from one of our most popular pre-painted colours, such as this one, Monument. All our pre-painted steel is specifically made for our harsh Aussie weather conditions, so you know it'll look great for years to come. This DIY shed arrives flat packed, and our 5-step process will have you assembled in no time. These self-tapping screws also utilise screw-safe technology to ensure your building efforts last. Just note, our sheds don't come with floors, as you can see. We recommend a rebated concrete slab and fixings. Not sure how many fixings you need? No worries, our team can help you with that. You can also find a host of accessories such as windows, skylights and hooks on our website. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.